Disposable CPE gown with special folding design. Different from common styles on the market. It can be directly taken out from the box easily for quick wearing, effectively reducing the risk of cross-contamination. This gown can be simple or elastic on the wrist, effectively protect you from liquids, water, oil, dust, and dirty to keep your clothes clean. The open back design makes this gown better breathability. You take it off, just tear the neck part beyond forward and peel it off backward, preventing the secondary contamination to your hands for safer protection. For more better disposable solutions, please feel free to contact me or leave your comments.